I'll be teaching you guys how to run a C++ program. The program is running on Mac, and the program is running on Xcode, so hopefully this doesn't make a difference for you guys, and it's easy for you guys to understand. And as well as you're watching this, hopefully you guys also have the basics down on the C++ programming. I'm not really going to explain every line of code here, but yet what I am going to be explaining is on void and vector statements. So the program is a small movie trivia in which the programmer writes the questions, and once the code is run, you'll have the opportunity to answer those questions. So first, let's start off with void. Right here, play, line, level, phrase, and movie. For the void function, we call it a play to handle the code that runs the game. Inside the parentheses are 4 arguments. So line and level are variables. Line is a string and level is an integer, while we have phrase and movie that are both vectors. The reason why we are phrasing these to play the function is because variables and such only exist within the scope that we are creating, meaning everything defined in the initial main is separated from everything defined to the play function. So we pass these as arguments to the play function so that the information data they are stored can be accessed. Then the next void one is void play string line, initial level, vector string phrase, and vector string movie. Since we are passing 4 items to play function, we need to catch them with the same data type in the same order. The first we passed was string, so now we catch it with another string so we won't get confused. Now let's talk about vectors. So what are vectors? We got one vector here and another vector here. They're pretty much like arrays. They do vary slightly. They are very good at storing information in a sequential or related order. For instance, the movie phrases could be nearly the same to store each of these movie quotes in separate variables, but since they are all related, we put them in a vector, which then vectors are more efficient because you can scroll through them for a for loop, which saves us a lot of coding, which in the end, this is enough coding as it is. Alright, let's get to the good stuff now. Let's finally run this code and see what it's all about. Press enter to begin. Everything the light touches is our kingdom. Lion King. Alright, so now let's try this out by using if the if and else statements are working properly. So, you have failed me for the last time. I believe that's Star Trek. Oh no, it's not. Well, I'm gonna give up anyways and press no. Nice effort, game over. Alright, so it actually does work, but I want to pass this test, and let's do this all over again. So again, Lion King. It's Star Wars, I knew it. Always got mixed up. What? Alright, yes. Star Wars. Spelled it wrong, actually. They call it a royale with cheese. Alright, Pulp Fiction. Why so serious? That's Batman. And your friendly neighborhood, Spider-Man. Great job, game over. Alright, so that was the whole program. Hopefully you guys learned something. Hopefully you guys maybe not. In the end, thanks for watching, guys.